In this video, you'll learn how to download a product video from your eBay listing. This process involves verifying your listing media, retrieving the original video file, and ensuring that you store it correctly for future use. Start by opening your seller dashboard on eBay. Once you are logged in, navigate to the section labeled Active Listings. Scroll down until you reach the media or gallery section of your listing. Here, you need to confirm that the video was uploaded by you. It is important to check that the video is available for playback. Also, ensure that you maintain edit access to the listing, as ownership is a crucial factor in your ability to download the video. Next, you will need to retrieve the original video file. Go to the device or folder where you initially saved the video. You can search for the file by its name or by the upload date. If you cannot locate it locally, check any backups you may have. If you uploaded the video to a cloud storage service, you can download it from there. It is advisable to avoid extracting the video from the page source, as doing so may result in a loss of quality. The original files will help you preserve the resolution of the video. Once you have the original file, it is essential to store it safely. Create an organized folder on your device where you can save the video. Consider renaming the file clearly so you can easily identify it for future use. It is also a good practice to keep copies in backup storage to prevent loss. If you edit the video later, maintain different versions to track changes. Keeping an organized media library saves time and helps you manage your listings effectively. As you complete the process, remember that large video files may take longer to download depending on your internet speed. If you are working with a slower connection, be patient during the download process. Additionally, ensure that you have sufficient storage available on your device to accommodate the video file. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.